Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Charlotte Tilbury mystery box for Black Friday 2020. I got two of them. I've already unboxed this one. Let me tell you, for $125, I'm blown away. I've never had a mystery box so good, especially for like the value and the money. Like, no. That was where it was at. Like, that was the best box ever. Okay, sneak peek though. I'm gonna take it off with my Kylie skin wipes. But this one is the Hollywood Secrets mystery box. This is the one that was $190. The other one was $125. I'm so excited to see what's in this one, because if that one was really good, the $190 one's gonna be good. There's 9 products in here. There was 7 in there, and it was fantastic. So I'm gonna wipe these sneak peekity swatches off and get into the video. But before we get started, if you do enjoy these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Also, really quick, if like the Zoom is like freaking out, I apologize. I tried to fix it again in the settings today before I started filming. I should probably like, you know, test it out, but I'm too lazy for that. I don't understand technology. My last videos that I filmed were like that, where it was just like, it was awful. But hopefully this one's not like that, because I did like, you know, poke around and like mess with stuff again, because I am filming in 4K. I just like the way it looks, even though you can't really tell if it's going so anyways, I'm gonna take these swatches off now and finally get into the mystery box. These wipes smell really good too. I've never used these wipes. Anyways, oh, worked really well. Interesting too. All right, Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Secrets and mystery box. Also, if this eyelash is coming off, that's because it is. Don't judge me. Okay, so excited. The box is like amazing quality, and this one's like way heavier than the other one. Like, I just can't even stand it. So let's see what is in here. So freaking excited. Okay. Oh, what is this stuff? Okay, what the heck? Okay, well, first off, let's go with the really very interesting product. Bigger, Brighter Eyes Filter. I have no idea what this is. Eyeshadow to enhance eye size and sparkle. I guess that's what it is. What? Okay. Packaging, pretty. Oh, it's just a little eyeshadow palette. Super cute. Love the colors. Love it. Also, if you don't know, I'm doing Vlogmas this year. I'll have all the playlists down below, and I'll be doing like, you know, more in depth with it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Next product is this Copper Charge Luxury Palette, color-coded eyeshadows. More eyeshadows? More eyeshadows? Love it. Okay. Packaging, love. Did I just do a zoomy thing? Please don't do a zoomy thing. Okay. These are pretty. These almost look like the other ones. I hope they're not. This looks just like the other ones. Okay, hold on. Let me just compare. Oh no, totally different. Okay. Yeah, these are cute. Love that. Love that for me. Love that for me. This was $190. Okay, let's go on to something different. I was kind of like thinking there was going to be like skincare in here, but I don't think there is. Okay, next up we have the Charlotte Tilbury Luminous Modern Matte Long Lasting Lipstick, and I don't know what shade it's in. Let's just open it and find out, I guess. This is in Walk of No Shame. I don't know what the color is. Oh, it's a beautiful color. Okay, cool. I'm very happy about that. Oh, yeah. I'm so excited. That's the shade. Let me know in the comments down below if you bought a mystery box. I know I posted it on my my Instagram. We have another one, same thing. Don't know what the shade is until we open it. It is in Very Victoria. I bet this is gonna be red. Why do I feel like this is gonna be red? Oh, it's not, but it's very, very pretty. Look at that. God, I'm so excited. I got all really, really pretty wearable colors that are gonna look so good. I'm so excited. Okay, here's the shade here. And this is good quality stuff too. Like, I'm beyond happy. Okay, here we have the Lip Luster Luxe Lasting Lip Lacquer. Okay, wonder what shade. Boom. Ooh, this one's pretty. This is in Unleash. Ooh, okay. This is a deep color, y'all. This is gonna be so cute for holidays. Ooh. Oh, I love it. Okay. It's not even like as dark and intense as you think it's gonna be. Here it is right here. That is beautiful. I'm so excited. Okay. Next up is a collagen lip bath. Collagen enhanced lip plumping effect. Ooh. The last time I did a lip plumper, I wanted to cry. That was the lip injections from Too Faced. Have you tried that? Oh my god. Ew, this is really, really pretty packaging. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to assume it's clear. It's in Refresh Rose, but I want to smell it. I can't open it. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's got a, like a heart ball shape like wand. Like, this looks like a nutsack hanging down. It's definitely pepperminty, so I'm very scared, but I cannot wait to try this on my lips. Okay, we have 3 more products. I'm gonna go with like the big thing. This is the Stoned Rose Beauty Instant Look in a Palette 5-minute face on the go. Look Express 5 minutes. I don't know what this is, but I'm excited. Okay, I don't know what this is. I'm not like familiar with Charlotte Tilbury, but like, okay, what is this? Oh, look, we got a little bit of everything. We got some blushes, a highlighter, a bronze, a eye brighten and enhance, and a smoke. This is actually gonna go really well with like everything that I do. These are really pretty colors. I know the bronzer is gonna work, the highlighter, all this is gonna work for me. I'm so excited. Does it have like a skin tone thing here? No. And it lasts for 30 months. Good stuff. Okay. 2 more things. I'll save that for last. And this is the Charlotte Tilbury, I thought that said anal. Amazing AMAL. A-M-A-L. Oh my god. This is a refillable, rechargeable. Wait a minute. Where have I gotten myself into? Okay. So, refillable, rechargeable, and I thought this said anal. Great. How do you open this? I don't know how to open this. Oh, okay. You put, oh, it's a lipstick. Sure it is. Okay. It's really pretty though. This is, yeah. Oh, I forgot the shade. We've already named it. And, oh, it's got a cute little embossing of a lip. I know that it's not going to zoom, but it's a pretty color. Oh, yeah. Love that. I cannot believe I called it what I called it, but that's it on the very end over here. So excited. Okay. Now we have 1 product left, and it's a Cheek to Chic Swish and Plot Blusher. I have one already in Pillow Talk. It's so great. I love that one. And this one is in Walk of No Shame, which we just did a lip color of that color, and I forgot what it was called, what color it was. But yeah, here it is. This is it. And oh, this is really pretty. It looks kind of like Pillow Talk. Hold on, let me get Pillow Talk and see if they look like the same, because they look kind of the same. Oh, no. Totally different. 2 different shades. This is Pillow Talk. This is the new one. I'm so excited. It's such a pretty color. I got all of this for $190. Excuse me. I got some good stuff. I got 2 eyeshadow palettes, a full face. Okay, I got this. I got a lip plumper. I got 2 lipsticks, a lip gloss. Like, I am blown away, and I'm like, I need an unboxing stat of the $140 one. Like, I need to know what came in the $140 box. I just gotta know. Oh my god, they're so pretty. I'm so excited. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Like what are we thinking? Hello, what are we thinking? I'm best mystery boxes I've ever purchased in my entire life. Like, this is high-end makeup, and I got so much good stuff. Like, I'm so excited. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, thumbs it up. Comment your whatever you have to comment down below. Let me know. Just let me know everything. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, bye.